Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Today's video doesn't have too much to do about CorelDraw, with the exception that it would help you. Over the years, I've been talking to somebody from vectoranddigitizing.com, so this is the website, this is their email. It's incredible what they can do. I mean, I'm pretty good at drawing in CorelDraw, and I've had some luck with recipes and handwriting. But if you look at this one is, kind of curved, it's yellow, or, you can actually see the words on the next page. And then he can send you that in a Corel file, a DXF, an IA, or AI, a PDF, PNG, ESP, SVG, whatever format you need. And I would like it in a CDR, so he sent me some examples. I'm teaching a class next month in February in Las Vegas at the APA trade show. And I thought I'd add this to my class to kind of give people information. I mean, if you will look, he didn't change the handwriting. Everything, if we look right here where these two letters collide, in the original, they collide right there. It's incredible. The good thing about getting it into a Corel format, you could do a lot with them and, make them blue if you wanted, or red, and do anything you wanted to it. Then they, taking a color image that's it's not terrible, it's not very clear, it's pixelated. Everything he sent me is for a laser engraver. If you look at this is incredible. So he, send it to me in all formats just so I could kind of test it. And what would be good about this if you had, well, maybe not this one particularly, but if you needed like this one, look at this colored badge. Can't really tell too much about it, but look at this quality. So the reason you'd want to do it, let's say if you had this and you wanted to ungroup this, being it a Corel file, and I'm working in Corel, you could change the numbers, move the numbers around, make the numbers, whatever you wanted. You could type in new numbers, so it doesn't matter. You don't have to stick with that badge if he copied it. Let's say it was, this is SMU Police Department, badge 23. You just wanted the police department. You didn't really want a badge number on there. You could change it. Evidently, it's a group of people. I always speak to one person, but look how fuzzy this pixelated picture of a truck. The detail is incredible. I have never used their service. I don't do a lot of this type work, but I would definitely try it. I think on the website or the Facebook, images start at $20. And I have no clue. Look at the dogs, a color picture of some dogs. And look at the vector part of the dog. Look at the, Ghostbusters, the hair, the scarf on this one pug looking dog. He's caught every detail. Here's a color, I could never do this. This alligator, look at that. Well, that's the picture of the alligator. Here's the vector file. That is a vector file, but this is the Corel file. I will put a link. Look, one more. Not only the truck, Ford truck, but look at this one. Somebody sent him a picture of a coin. A coin. And look at the graphic. I will put a link. I'll put a link to his website, or their website, in their email. It might just be one man, but every time he references this, we do all. So he sent me everything for a laser engraver. He could make this badge look like that badge. Well, now that we have it, we could probably make it that color, because it's a Corel file. We could take the Smart Fill tool get our eyedropper, take a picture or take a sample of that gray and put it in there. You know, we could get our eyedropper, get our sample and put that green. Of course, you'd have to fill in every little spot, but it would, you know, if you were going to print this, I mean, look how much you could do with it, how cool it is if you were going to print these off. And I guarantee you could do all these colors. Anyway, so I'm not I am promoting, but I'm not gaining anything from this. I just like introducing information. I mean, every file format you could possibly want. CDR stands for Corel. And I guess you would tell them which format you want. Anyway, I hope that little bit of information helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.